Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control of the scene. Don't wait. First, assess ambient light, direction, color, and strength. Once done, switch to RAW and manual exposure so you can shape the result. Next, introduce one key source or a reflector at about a 45 degrees angle to the subject. Move it closer to increase intensity, farther to soften. Make small adjustments, and take a quick test frame to see immediate changes. This gets you into a loop of seeing and correcting. Once you have a primary source, shape it. Softboxes and umbrellas make transitions smoother, while bare bulbs create contrast. Use a second fill at 1/2 to 1/3 of the key's power to lift shadows without flattening the face. Also match color. Set white balance in camera or gel strobes to neutralize mixed sources so skin tones read naturally. Make exposures based on the histogram for highlight protection and tweak power, distance, or modifier size until midtones and shadows look intentional. Finish by shooting a few bracketed frames and reviewing them on a tethered laptop or calibrated screen. This reveals subtle issues. Make final micro adjustments to light, power, angle, and diffuser placement, then lock your settings to maintain consistency. If something goes wrong, isolate variables, turn off one light at a time. A single troubleshooting tip: if you see a color cast, photograph an 18% gray card and use it to set white balance. That usually fixes mixed source color problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.